I chose advanced manufacturing because I think advanced manufacturing has a foundation in the future. I myself see me going forward with it, and I think a part of me wanted to explore it. My favorite thing so far has been learning and understanding the bits and pieces that come together that make up the whole of manufacturing. For this program, it only takes 10 months start to finish in order to get certification. Here, I get to mess around with things, I get to adjust things, I get to play around with things, I get to understand a little bit better. So I think that's like my favorite part. Facilities here are very professionally maintained. A career in manufacturing can be stable and flexible. Manufacturing is needed pretty much everywhere at any given time and allows you to work pretty much anywhere you like. I think with a degree in manufacturing, I'll be able to provide a lot more, not only to myself and my family, but also my community. I'm just really glad to be able to have the opportunity to be a part of this program. My advice would be, if you feel like you have the time and you have the mindset in order to get through it, go for it. There's nothing to lose.